Keish.
I'm Ellie.
Tell them, Ellie.
We're doing a Thanksgiving look where we have to have our outfit and makeup.
Outfit and makeup.
I might steal her stuff.
This is kind of what we would wear and do our makeup and everything for Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Hopefully I do a good job.
I need to go shopping. That's what this video has taught me.
Yeah,
so
I
far.
need long sleeves or something because I was so short
I need
sleeves.
to shop. But anyway, so now what, Ellie?
Should we show them our clothes?
Show them the clothes.
Okay, I go first. I'm the youngest.
Okay.
I got my black heels. Once I do wear sometimes. Black leggings, and this like jacket and shirt came together, so that's why I picked it. I had no idea what it says. Fearless.
Mhm.
It has like flowers and stuff. That's why I picked it. And a green, just in case. There's a hoodie on it. It's this way.
Show them the other way.
Oh yeah. Wait, what way? You do that.
It has
part.
nice sleeves.
It's actually really soft and comfy.
So when you think of Thanksgiving, what colors do you think of?
Green, and maybe like a little red.
Okay.
Maybe tan.
I also picked some heels. These are like my only heels I own.
Yeah, she does not
She
wear
has
heels.
more heels than me.
Yeah.
And she's almost 9.
And she does not really like heels. She likes wearing like Vans.
I picked Hollister jeans. They're really dark, and I usually don't.
Wear
Thanksgiving, when I think of Thanksgiving, I don't think of jeans.
I
think
of
of leggings.
Yeah.
Seriously, but I feel like I don't really have a shirt.
I have 6 pairs of black leggings.
Like I picked this shirt.
That's kind of like mine.
It's kind of off-white, but it's kind of, when I seen it, I thought Thanksgiving. Everything else in my closet,
Well, it has flowers on it.
I wasn't thinking like Thanksgiving. So we're gonna try that out.
Yeah.
But I really think of leggings because when you go somewhere, you eat, and your stomach gets big and you blow. It's like you want to be comfortable. But those jeans are stretchy. I love Hollister jeans. They're comfortable. They're not so bad.
This is me about jeans. I don't really like jeans.
So, we will put them on after we're done with the makeup.
Okay.
I mean, the Thanksgiving look is like the outfit and the eyes. Like the colors and stuff, you know. So, we'll be back and we will show and write down below what products we used if you guys want to know. Yeah. So, we're going to pause it and stop it.
Yeah.
And we're going to get foundation and everything on until we're ready for our eyes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do our eyes now. So the palettes we picked out, Jaclyn Hill.
So I was going to use this one, but it's not the right colors.
Yeah, we got the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic.
I didn't see that one there.
And it has a couple.
We need to use green.
A few greens, but I don't know.
Because we have the full one too.
And we have the full one too, which is a lot more neutral colors, which is kind of what I'm going for. One eye real quick.
I dropped mine.
I'm going to do my one eye real quick and show you how I'm going to do it. So, the first thing I'm going to do is get poof. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid.
Sorry. Need your eye brush.
To set my primer, so I want to use poof for that.
Not bad. Looks tan.
And then the next color for my crease, I'm going to do, I want to grab from the big Jaclyn Hill palette, Pukey. This is kind of a darker matte brown. Darkens it up. I'm going to grab a little more and darken it up a little bit more. Now, I think I want to get into the greens. But I think I want to try Potion. But I'm going to use a smaller, dense brush and try to use Potion. There, but it's not there.
Like when you close your eyes?
No, like, never mind. So, I grabbed a lot more. Let's see.
Ow.
You can see the green.
It looks kind of really dark. I'm going to use that one.
But now, well, I'm trying to think what I want to do. Because it's green, but it's not
like there
as dark, I guess, as I thought it would be to pop out. So I'm going to take a brown.
No, that one looks really
first
good.
Let me do that. I just love the big fluffy brush. Jaclyn Hill has one, and it's just like the Morphe one, except for it's a little tapered at the top. But I love them to blend more. But anyway, so now I'm going to take like a crease brush. I'm going to go back in with a brown, and I'm going to use mocha. I really like mocha. It's a very nice brown shade. And now I'm going to kind of go back over this and darken it. Camera and Boom are really pretty. I want to mix them.
No.
And
wow. Didn't the green in that color would go good?
well, you can still see the green. The camera. Let me get up here. Let me kind of bring this light down a little bit. But look, really shimmery orange. With my face like twitching. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in here with the green.
I'm doing that one.
And I'm gonna go right back in the crease.
What your other eye?
It's really pretty. I'm not doing the other one on camera.
How do you remember all your colors?
It's not that hard. Then I'm gonna go in the Big Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm gonna take Beam. And I like to always just go over the top.
I can't believe that.
What I'm going to do from the bottom, I'm just going to go back under the bottom. Not with the shimmers, so not with on camera, not with on Boom. I'm going to put the potion. The potion I might just put on the bottom with the with poof a little bit and smooth it out. And I think this would be a really pretty eye look, and I'll get a close-up. When I get both eyes done, I'm going to get a close-up because I don't know how much you guys can really see, but it's a really pretty, it's like a, the shimmers are really pretty, and I want to say orange, but it's kind of like a brownish, bronzish, like not, yeah, like Thanksgiving colors, you know what I mean. So now Ellie's going to do hers, and Ellie, she's almost 9, she don't need as many colors as me. I think you need to pick 2 colors you really like, that you, when you think, oh yes, Thanksgiving. Hello everyone. This is the finished look. Look at me. Look at that.
No, she's nothing.
I'm nothing. Now show them your face. She kind of picked some orange shimmery colors. Now sit back.
Sit back?
Mine, the one we did, Boom on the, Boom on the Ring the Alarm palette. We both used it, but mine, I kind of blended it so it wasn't as shiny as hers. Like hers is very
popping.
Yeah, it's really popping. Mine, I used that same color on the whole lid, but I mixed it though too with on camera, and I blended it out so it's not so bright. Like hers, I mean they're kind of bright, but not as bright as hers. Like hers are popping, but plus she's so fair skinned. Those colors gonna pop a little more. But and we show you our outfits we picked out.
Yes, we don't want to show you too much.
Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any ideas for us, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. We almost forgot.